the wise men of our time, no. And uncle mu use nyansa. Omu use him dear no mu claim so they have no. And uncle de bua Ghana. And also de bua bushi and de bua community and Ghana connect. You know my problem with Ghanaian elites? They only know how to talk. Ghana for elites, no. Omo Marco school, no. The only man kasa. Chop it. Ya no de. What the chance in the man now? Or kohwa or yeah worse than the first person that was there. And now no power we me see me bu afu. Now me bu afu because me person will be ara wo or katechie free fano and number na ni page tag no. Captain Smart tag no. Avram Ben Moshe tag no. I'm telling you this because I know what I just saw. And now no pa ma share video bi na me bofu na afu me just say me ho tie me no. I had to come for 30 minutes and to lay certain things straight. Then no other than say me attack sa kwasiafo free fan Captain Smart ne say Jimmy for we no. Other than me attacking them, now I'm going to attack the ordinary Ghanaian citizen. Ghana for no be where Jimmy Toto. Ghana for no be mama kwai ma yedemo just say yedemo Jimmy. Ghana for mama mo ho kwan Emma NDC MPP mempe na nado asem mempe mahama asem mempe si edun kete asem mempe ba wumi asem no mama enu na fama dwene mankwasiafo bi afase edi milk Ghana dry, and it pains me. You understand? It pains my heart. Say Ghana need to ho na ni nua Ghana ni abeka asem akire no na asem obeka kire no o ti wo pefe onim se enyampa. Now, so I say me when people, even those saying I'm Panamediadi. Me when this, even those saying I'm Panamediadi, Namadia propaganda. But in any case, yeah, propaganda, yeah, all these years. Etusumu propaganda secretary, now they are dealing now. Where did it reach us? Where did we go? Where did we get to? Ghanaians, don't be stupid. The people of Ghana, do not be stupid. We have had A+ first regime. Don't allow a second A+ in our body of politics again. Ghana for we have allowed A+ Jimmy part 1. Mama another Jimmy for be part 2. Bio mama former Jimmy no mujin so mo and mama that Ghanaian citizen. And that minute sam kwasia for me and we stupid fool dumb for we. Avam Jimmy Moshe, Avan Bayfo Moshe, and Susman, 2 years epemogentino, on Jimmy Nancy, it took me a while, but your time will come. Avram Foolish Moshe, yes, my name is Felix Apia. I'm calling you, and I'm not calling you for fame, but I'm calling you to tell you, say, that your so-called common sense is the dumbest sense that can ever be found. Are you listening to me? You, the stupid Avambe Moshe, your stupidity, you cry the one who Jimmy and Boro Bio Gina platform. So. But it is sad, say, when you have few tricks be, as if you care about Ghana, as if you say Ghana Koswama, and I would they say Ghana. They be able to pay the someone, and now certain people who me chinti. No, my country, so boy, any day, Jano, boy, any day, Jano. They be asked, yes, or be ya me page so me jinem na makase there be. But me who say Jimmy na open say with Jimmy Ghana for about stupid Moshe. Avram Ben Juan Jimmy ni kwasi ampeni bem. I'm telling you this. If you are a man, motherfucker, go take care of your stupid kids. That's one. Utie Avram stupid Ben Moshe. Ibedi katetia free yos and one yeti. Send me the bedi Avram Ben Moshe echi. Send me the bedi Kwame Kwasia A+ echi no. Come to join the NDC. Yes, sorry, but I have to say that. Send me the bedi join the San Kwasia 4-way echi no. And come to join the NDC. Wouldn't be time to join the NDC. Anya she krano. NDC ebu amai ama mehupen. Anya she krano. Rollins so free NDC. And yo, Ghana and shit, Ghana jantum. Say ye did you, say ye did you, Ghana and say Ghana eja anto. Now, me confess John Dramani Mahama ba. Even though the track record wasn't the best, he has a track record. What in America I say? His track record of John Dramani Mahama might not be the best, but he has a track record. My question to Kwasia Katetia Free Faith. One more no big kasa say krama ya brado e Jimmy Fono. Big Fono. What is their blueprint? Or where is their blueprint? He was a radio presenter. And that is your credential, that is your qualification. Cause a radio commentary. Who to me my commentary about the course of Ghana. In any case, action speaks louder than words. What did American? Me say, who can the chair free for the name Johnny Sanka? What do you be? If you want to know, compare the constitution. Na material said they are all in the crown, a institution. Nanka Ghana, your Maya, Yajin da one, Kawodi, and Namokoya, and you bet me at him. Ghana, and your maybe a Kadiamokoya and Nano Pawi, okay, bet me at him. Because you are inciting the violent youth against a certain government. All in the name that what? Kate Jeffrey, what is your track record as a radio presenter? What is your track record when it comes to governance? What is your track record? Me say, minimum shekra John Mahama there, minimum say no MP. Some case me John Mahama track record of being MP. Amenya. Hey, me say John Mahama enya shekra no. Wo dey cycle say no board den kra, enya hwe, interchange, track record. Kaswa interchange, track record. Now me bisa say Ediana Avram Ben Moshe track record Ben Weja. Either than so because me yembu nyame ni ho, me yembu penny ni ho, me yembu penny biano. Track record Ben Avram Ben Moshe wo. And profile ye asofo de nyeska we. But I said how the koye ya anye yama. Because enya dwempa na ade koye. Who so obi ya sorry ni ye to no collection ti. Now say any side the Ghana for adwene mu so nti ma me so me koye sofo. Okoya wunim preaching. Now preaching na ya blockade preaching nti. Want me hold. And now failure also they say they also some. Now who bekasa no. Now we are free say Jimmy nie Bible now we say nipa na tro ye no Bible. The tro ye no omu tro gu stones so. If you have not studied the history of Bible, but who book I will say your common sense no. It has not been in circulation for even 20 years. A book that is over 1,000 years old. Quran, which is over 1,000 years old. You are telling me, say, I should throw Quran away. Nyamini ho. I should throw Quran away. Me to Quran and Quene. Now me do kwasi ampeni we ya wuni any track record. I been for Moshe. Wuni any track record. Where is your track record? Okay, Jeffrey, where is your track record? Oh, me na me general manager of Ahaneha. Me ba ya no na omusika asem wo say. Me ba ya me peda ko say. Enti me kase amuntie. Ghana is cheap. Ghana is cheap. And no about you when they come up. Na Jimmy Forman na ko go say chenku. Na Jimmy Forman no akogwo say chenku. Ne ho efe pound. Hey. Brown idiot, no na body mo cry na se pan. Kwasia or the obeyus who views and the akojisika. The same way Kwame Asari plus Jimmy Eba S Glacier. S Glacier, Kwame Epla didn't say the same. I feel more Muslim Musiadiano. Kwame plus by no, one make S Glacier same. Kwame plus or TTP or Sidentia or say na Radina Coupon. Me pacho per the constitution. A first moment intro me answer. Okateche Frifa, Avram Ben Moshe, Captain Kwasia Kwejo Kwasiam Penny Smart. Per the constitution. Does the parliamentarians go for pension? Obi MP or pension? What to be that? What to say a pension package for anybody who went to parliament? What to be that? Mama yanka. Mo who say Obi akọ parliament me yaman pension mo kan kire me. Parliamentarians do not fucking go on pension. That is why, per Article 71, they fell under the presidential emolument scale. It's almost the ex gratia because you the MP nana ukwa and cancel when you into pension they are called per the constitution. No, it is never done that way. And stupid fools, you guys know. Obi a chief executive for board, obi a worker for board, obi a nurse, obi a teacher, obi a one or call pension when the pension time comes. Obi will be MP one time on DBO. Obi will be 4 years back. And no thing more teacher constitution no. My junior fan say since there are more MP for no, yet the pension scheme for you. It is better we give you what is called ex gratia. But on himself, so back no better than say ex gratia and penifone this guy and penifone this guy. Who can any want to know no be jedi. Sa kwasiam pa fo we a omugo mesuru yisia o manim dwofu teja jimi fo we no. We no sorry a ye celebrities. What have you done that you should be celebrated? Obi mba dia ba ko katechia free for leading in Ghana. Say he led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration to parliament. He led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration towards this to Utie Avan stupid Bermoshe. If you are a man, take care of your stupid kids with your own hard work money. The way I'm Crawford, a human 9 to 5, a pesky cadicha mano. We are bear marshal massa. Utwewa will make rough, tan, and a upes cadia show me that CNT. What for Ghana for Jimmy for Nibia, Yajin Yajumaho, and I would that and I would Jiska. Now, would they just our man, our woman, what Takano, and a Ghana need Chaho, and what brand or the Najuna Brew. My first thing to you is number one, it is only fools who think you have common sense. What you say? The other day you on your foolish face talking about and Uncle Weber, Nanka with the crime we are Manamanaye, Nanka Weber, Nanka with the crime we are Manawe. What's here at social media and the ideas are there? Moshe, you fucking live in Ghana. You know where the parliament of Ghana is. And to Sanyamana Okano, those proposals now Okano, the best place you could have channeled it to was the fucking parliament. Stupid dumb fool. But because you don't know and your followers are shallow and mediocre, you would always